Sir, good morning, sir. Yes, sir, yung topic ko po is title niya is The Digital Age and Its Impact on Global Society in Philippine Perspective. Sir, the coming of the digital age has forever transformed the global landscape in terms of shaping economies, societies, and cultures. This digital revolution, characterized by swift technological advances, has brought into being an era of interconnectivity, information access, and innovation. A country with a strong culture of globalization, the Philippines has enjoyed the benefits as well as faced the problems of the digital transformation. This paper explores the impact of this digital age on global society, focusing especially on the Philippine context. That was the emerge of digital technology. Yun po sir, my message po sa inyo is, una sa lahat, I am a irregular student from Criminology for one. First day sir, medyo nahihiya ako kasi wala akong kasama, mag-isa lang ako na nag-take ng subject na to. Then, na-recognize nyo agad ako sir na as a officer sir ng ROTC ng 267 and ROTCU sir. So yun sir, doon medyo gumaan yung loob ko sir kasi halos magkarugtong tayo sir ng loob kasi nakwento mo rin sa akin sir na ikaw dati ay part ng AFP, but then meron talagang sabi nga nila na hindi para sa atin, pero may mas magandang ibibigay sa atin si Lord. And then yun sir, yun yung talagang nagpa-high moral sa akin sir, na ipagpatuloy, and as you guided me na hanggang ngayon sir, ito na natapos namin yung subject na to sa tulong mo at sa tulong ni Lord sir. And yun sir, I am very thankful na nakilala po kita, and sabi mo na maybe in future na pwede akong lumapit sa iyo and para matulungan mo sir. Again sir, snappy salute. Thank you sir.